Well, Jesus, running interference for Carlito, and John Cena is firing off those long rounds all over Jesus.
This is what it's all about for John Cena. He could not wait to get his hands on the two-man who were in that club the night Cena was stabbed in the kidney.
Cena trying to get to Carlito, and he just might be able to do it here.
The lightning fist.
What on earth is she thinking?
Wait a minute, Vega, cover. Oh, no.
Oh,
and now Lynch with the disarmer. Vega taps out to Becky Lynch.
We're not here to kiss ass. We're here to kick it.
See that Styles, guys.
Oh, my
God.
God.
Whoa. The right hand. And Anderson and Gallows. And a 3-on-1 buggy. For the love of God, AJ Styles just punched Cena in the face. And now Anderson and Gallows assaulted him as well.
Look at a small package. Look at this. And Jericho could steal one. But John Cena, the strength of Cena, the brute strength